I just would like to say a few words to
Yeah,
viewers.
we are just entering the portals of the collectorate to file our nomination, and quite exciting journey to Parliament with the backing of the people. And this time everybody is with us. Even BJP is with us, the Congress is with us, every party also is with us. Their supporters particularly, they are with us because they know time has come for a change. The days of betrayal should be finished. That is the main reason people are backing us. Thank you.